Hey project fam, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so if you've been following my channel, you realize that I bought a new project. Before I even get into this project, man, I gotta clean up the garage. You know, it's like, you know, when you bring a baby home from the hospital, a newborn baby, you bring it home to a new room with a crib and a bassinet. Well, I gotta get the garage ready for the baby. I gotta clean up all the junk. I gotta make sure I have enough room around all the sides and get ready for this build. You know what? It actually sounds pretty good. I know I'm gonna have some work to do on the car, but yeah, but look at this garage. In between the two cars, I've just got so much junk. I need to clear all that stuff out. I've got a ton of tires. I've got tarps that need to be folded up. I have things that need to go in the garbage. So yeah, I'm looking forward to cleaning up this garage. First thing I have to do is really stack all these tires and get these tires out of the way. Some of the tires are going to go outside. I'll bring them back around during the summertime where I can clean them up and basically sell them. Some of them are just snow tires. I have a set of rims. I have a set of tires. I have tires for cars I don't even have anymore. You know, it doesn't look too bad when I have it on, you know, this speed, the really fast speed. But yeah, I remember when I cleaned this thing up. Look at all those tires back and forth, back and forth. If you have a garage and you don't have a blower, man, you're missing out. I blow my garage out all the time. Yeah, those are the snow tires for the Infinity. I wanted to lay them flat, but I don't think I'm going to have enough space to lay them flat. So I'll stand them up for now, but I want to make sure that I get them clean and get them ready for sale. Yes, the Infinity is going to be on the market. Those are the original stock rims as well. Therefore, I'm not going to put them outside. I'll leave them inside. And those are Bridgestone Blizzaks. Probably have some good age to them. I have to see if they're cracking. I have 3 sets of rims for the Infinity, so we have to do better. One of the benefits of having tall ceilings in a garage is being able to store things up there. But what I have to also do is go up there and take some things down that I know don't belong up there, or I want them in the garbage. What I typically do is, like, once it goes up there, it stays up there. And what I'm putting up there now is my landscape fabric that is about to come down because, you know, it's almost that season for me to start my outdoor gardening projects. And if you don't know anything about me, you'll find out very soon that my favorite things are my car projects, my DIY house projects, my indoor gardening, which I have now. I have an indoor garden with a grow light and the whole deal. Actually, 2 grow lights. My outdoor gardening, especially my hot peppers, my hydroponic gardening, indoor and outdoor. I have a lot of great stuff going on. And I think last year I did some, some sprinkler systems and automatic watering. So that was pretty nice. And I hope to carry the same kind of trends next year. But this is not a gardening channel. This right now, I shouldn't say it's not a gardening channel. This is not a gardening video. This is an automotive video with me trying to clean up this garage and make as much room on both sides so I can pull the Porsche in and kind of put it up on jack stands and have it up there for the necessary time so I can get the work done. That was one of my favorite carpet cleaning machines, a Rotovac. I can't get rid of it. Although I have three sets of jack stands, I did buy a new set of jack stands. And I really should learn how to properly tie up these cords. I've seen some really cool ways to tie up cords where you don't get them tangled. So maybe I'll put that in the video because I have a ton of cords, extension cords that need to kind of be tied up. And sometimes I would actually tie them up and I would zip tie them, but when I need to use them, then I have to cut the zip ties, so that's not that effective. But bottom line is getting them out of my way, hanging them up. Usually all of my extension cords are hanging up somewhere. Yep, going up and out of the way. I know I can just like mute my my sounds and my breathing into the microphone, but I don't know, it's interesting, so I'm gonna let it ride this time. And I'm actually almost finished this garage. When I'm starting to tie up cords, I'll give the garage one last final blow with the blower, you know, trying to get as much of the crud and things out of the corner as possible. Oh, there it is. All right, I'll be back. Actually, I'll just turn the volume down on the blower. So yeah, this video is a wrap. The garage is clean. I'm very happy with, you know, what happened and how much we got done and how we moved things out of the way. The next step is to bring the Porsche in, put it up on jack stands, and start taking inventory of the parts that came with the car. And I really wanted to set up a nice little table in front of the Porsche. So I have to figure out, what am I going to do about a table? I'm thinking of finding a door that I'm not using in the house and setting it up on a couple of my horses over there, and maybe that'll be good enough. As a matter of fact, that's it. That's exactly what I'm going to do. All right, Project Fam, just like hip hop, this video is a wrap. Until next time.